taking a look at the Flat Belly Fix program. A program that goes over how his wife shed 23 pounds of unwanted belly fat in only 21 days. So if that's something that interests you, then watching this short review is a must. Now I've put a link directly in the description box below, where you can see real social proof from other people who've undertaken the program. So click the link below to learn more. But I digress. So to begin with, the Flat Belly Fix program is the latest groundbreaking weight loss program for anyone who has found it difficult to lose weight, especially around the stomach, hips, and thighs. The program offers techniques that must be performed each morning to begin burning fat. According to the author, these specific movements work to impact the body's internal hormonal system and correct it to burn fat fast. So, how does Flat Belly Fix work? In a nutshell, it comprises of 3 parts which are included inside the program: the 21-day system, the 7-minute flat belly protocol, and the smoothie recipe guide. This system gets down into information on nutrition, your health, and fitness. You will learn about when to eat, how to eat, all about triglycerides, proportioning, the human anatomy, and so much more. The 7-minute flat belly protocol is where all of the exercises can be found, from system tension to isometric holds, fiber activation and more. There is a protocol for each day of the week. Since they take only 7 minutes to complete, this really isn't difficult to do at all, but don't be mistaken, you'll certainly feel the burn. The smoothie recipe guide includes chocolate and avocado, banana nut, chocolate almond, and much more. Sounds tasty, right? Click the link below for more details now. Real social proof. Section of the program provides you with detailed instructions on how to get proper nutrition while being enjoyable at the same time. You get to enjoy foods like chocolate, wild berries, coconut, vanilla, and much more. Todd Lamb also gives you 2 bonuses including 1. Elite personal coaching, where you get a whole month's worth of personal training. 2. Access to an exclusive Facebook group, where Todd will introduce you to like-minded people to encourage and motivate you along your weight loss journey. Oh, and you're covered with a 60-day money-back guarantee. So you can't go wrong and you have nothing to lose but your unwanted body fat. But with that being said, if you want to try out and get more information on the Flat Belly Fix program, that you can get immediate online access to at home, within a moment's notice to get rid of unwanted fat fast, click the link in the description below. Listen, you don't have to feel upset about your weight, or try starving yourself to lose it anymore. I know you are sick of seeing your ugly belly fat staring at you every time you look in the mirror. Of pretending it doesn't bother you, and that you're okay with the body you have right now. Of yearning to know what it's like to have power, and control, and energy like you did when you were a kid. Click the link in the description below right now to learn how an easy-to-use system can get rid of that unsightly body fat faster than anything you've tried before. Good luck! I can't wait to see your life change for the better like mine has. For more information, click the link below. Thanks for watching our video.